I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Excel app installed and signed in, and the file accessible on device or cloud. Tap the file to open it and make sure you switch from read-only to edit mode so changes save. If the file is on OneDrive, wait for sync to finish. This avoids conflicts. Once done, glance at the sheet layout and frozen panes. This tells you where to begin editing. Now, position your keyboard and enable landscape if you prefer wider view. You'll perform the core actions: enter data, create formulas, and format cells. Tap a cell, then use the formula bar for longer expressions. This gives you space to review syntax. To add functions, press the FX button and choose SUM, average, if, or VLOOKUP. Excel offers suggestions as you type to reduce errors. Use autofill handles for sequences and pinch or rotate to switch views. Make sure to lock headers or freeze panes so you finish by saving and validating the workbook. Tap Save or confirm Cloud Sync, then export as XLSX or PDF if sharing is needed. Review formulas and run a quick scan for #ref or hash value. Errors, use undo and version history to revert unintended changes. If something goes wrong, check permissions on shared files, confirm internet connectivity, and update the app. These fixes resolve most sync or edit failures. Finally, close the file and reopen to confirm the saved state.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.